Welcome to Epitest, free subscribers. HTML Basic, Part 4, HTML Attributes. HTML Attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start text. Attributes usually come in name-value pair like name values. The SOS attributes. HTML links are defined with the A tag. The link address is specified in the SOS attributes. Example: the SOV attributes. HTML images are defined with the img tag. The file name of the image file is specified in the SOV attribute. Example: the width and height attributes. Image in HTML has a set of size attributes which specify the width and height of the image. Example: the ALT attribute. The ALT attribute specify an alternative text to be used when an image cannot be displayed. The value of the attribute can be read by screen readers. This way, someone listening to the web page, a vision impaired person, can hear the element. Example: the ALT attribute is also useful if the image doesn't exist. The style attribute. The style attribute is used to specify the styling of an element like color, font size. Example: the length attribute. The length of the document can be declared in the HTML tag. The length is declared with the length attribute. Declaring a length is important for accessibility, application, screen reader, and search engines. The first two letters specify the length and if there is a dialect used to more letters are used. The title attribute. Here, a title attribute is added to the p elements. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when you mouse over the paragraph. Example: we suggest use lowercase attributes. The HTML file standard doesn't require lowercase attribute name. The title attribute can be written with uppercase or lowercase like title or titles. We recommend lowercase in HTML and demand lowercase for stricter document type like HTML. We suggest quotes attribute value. The HTML file standard doesn't require quotes around attribute values. The SOS attributes demonstrated above can be written without quotes. But good. We recommend quotes in HTML and demand quotes for stricter document type like HTML. Sometimes it's necessary to use quotes. The example will not display the title attribute correctly because it contains a space. Example: single or double quotes. Double quotes around attributes value are the most common in HTML but single quotes can also be used. In some situations, when the attribute value itself contains double quotes, it's necessary to use single quotes. Or